We're back. Today was it was good. It was good. It was good, but it was bad. It was good, but it was bad. So this is a trade we took. Now I'm not gonna lie, I should have just held this bitch the whole way, but at the same time saying that I would have gone break even. So I wouldn't have actually made anything, but we did end up cashing it. It's around this area here. So 1 to 1 risking 2%. That's 2.2% around that. It's fuck. It's probably lower. I ain't gonna lie, but we should have just held to this liquidity. Anyway, shoulda, coulda, would have been break even. You get the gist. But in saying that, let's talk about the trade first. So 1 minute time frame. We were sweeping this 1 hour from here, just between the Asia and Frankfurt Open. Scaled into that. 1 minute. We just saw price up, broke above this high. I didn't want to enter off that. I wanted a bit more confirmation. So I just saw price keep going down, up, broke above this high. This is the high that I entered off, this one here. That kind of gave me confirmation. That gave me confirmation that we're going to go back in an uptrend, personally, from what I've experienced. And then, yeah, pretty much just straight back up, inversing this 5 minute gap around here. And off the inverse, I saw price reject. It was actually here where I cashed out on these two candles there. So those two candles there. So that actually made us, let me see, how much we're actually up today. So we just got into phase 2 yesterday of another 5k. This is my second phase 2 of this month, which is nice. So we made 1.5% on that, risking 2%. So risk to reward isn't the greatest, but shit, money's money. So it's $76 there, 1.5%. We're 3.5% now from getting funded on that account. And then the OG funded, we were $3 from getting funded. $3. And now we're $44 from getting funded. What does that show? That shows emotion. That shows degeneracy. That shows bad things. It shows a lot of bad things. Emotion, being a degenerate, not following rules, but at the same time, all I had to do was make $3. $3 fucking dollars, and I couldn't do that scalping. So we're one trade off that now. We're a 1 to 1 off. So I think next trade we're just gonna risk 1%, go for a 1 to 1 move. Look for a good setup if we can hit. Let me see. Oh, I just opened the wrong app. Let me just close this real quick. But yeah, it shows emotion. It shows not discipline, but at the same time, I haven't been in this position before, and nor have experienced what I've just gotten into. So that's my first time actually experiencing being that close to being funded, as this will be my first funded when we get there eventually. Whether it's this account, the other account, the 25k account, which is actually 4% in profit on phase 1, which is tough. I mess with that. I'm still on the fucking paintbrush, bruv. But we will most likely be looking to take a sell off either this 5 minute order block, or you've got liquidity there at the top, you've got liquidity here that I don't mind. Bro, if I just held this bitch, man. It'd be up there. It's all in hindsight. So I'm not worried. At least I know I'm doing the right thing. It's just the little psychology things that is where it's fucking up. Because, you know, I would love to take a trade right now and get a 1 to 1, but I had to take a little hour off the markets before I do some stupid shit, bro. I already know I was doing stupid shit, but the fact that I've lost fucking $30 doing that shit was just dumb as fuck. But we move. It could be a lot worse. I could have bought in the account, so I'm just thinking that like that. One trade again. I'm still profitable on every account for the day, so it's not like we're down money. it's just hindsight. I should be up. I should be funded and have that certificate with my name on it, motherfucker. But you can't get everything you want, you know. But yeah, that's kind of the insight to that trade. Again, looking to see how we react off this order block, just to make that 1-to-1. This order block is 12 pips, so again, in saying that, we'll have to get quite a decent reaction for me to actually take that sell. Because look, we broke structure on this candle down here. To go back to the downside, this is where I fucking took the sell to make the $4. I took it off like probably like right fucking this area here, like there, and then I just stopped it out like here. I was down like $20. I was already down $10-$20, and then said fuck this, and just got off, and I got myself some dinner because that shit was crucified. But hopefully the next video will be titled I am funded, or somewhere along the lines of that. It will be titled that, actually. It will be, because I'm going to catch a dub next. And it's going to be a smart trade. I'm not going to force nothing. I'll just take a deep breath. I might jump on the game for a little bit. I might watch some training videos. I might jump on some COD. Something to do with that, but we ain't forcing shit. So next trade, next video will be good. Pray to the Lord, of course. But yeah, that shit was crucified, I ain't gonna lie, but hey man, we move. Could be worse. Later, bro.